guys to this part of the video again. So please, before you watch the final video where we will be finishing the designing of our construction company website, please, I want you to watch this video and take note of the some of the issues we'll be fixing, so that you won't encounter them when you are practicing your own, because I just came to realize that we can fix the errors when if you go through the documentation. Definitely the team is the designers of this team design it in such a way that yes, it has some flaws, and if you encounter some errors, there is a way you can fix them, and they provide a proper documentation on how you can fix the team. So actually, the first problem we have with this team, if you could remember at the beginning where we started designing, is what is this social media icons. They are not showing on the front of the homepage, but they are showing on other pages of the website. And the next one is what is this portfolios. If you click on it, they will take you to a 404 page that the page does not exist, and link is what is normal. I've checked it. So now how you fix this problem is, I'm just giving you a tip or a secret of you becoming a professional website designer, because I thought the team didn't come with a documentation, but it come with a documentation. So anything that you want to use for designing any kind of website, make sure it has a documentation, and any problem you might encounter with the team, go to your documentation. They might provide might provide ways in which you can fix that problem. So now let me open. I've opened the team now. I've opened the team in Mira. So if you open it, definitely this is how it will show. So this is Avast 645, and you double click on it. Avast mean. So this is the documentation here. So let's open the documentation. Yes, so this is documentation now. They say team documentation, slider revolution problem, and documentation, and Elementor documentation. Let me open on team documentation. Yes. So definitely this is it, right? So they say yes, common errors, right? We have definitely this documentation provides you ways in how you can find your ways through designing using the team and having a successful result for of designing the team. As you can see, getting started. Okay, getting started, right? Server requirement, WordPress installation, team installation. All these are documentation on how you go about installing the team, using the team, designing it, making whatever changes, right? So they provide a place for common errors. As you can see, your key has been installed on another domain. If you click on it, also if you are having these issues, there is a way you can fix this issue. If you enter here, social icons and some other icons are not showing correctly. So wow, this is problem one, right? And the next problem is design pages and preview pages are different in Elementor. Also, there is a way to fix this problem. So now we have error 404, which is another problem again. So let's try fixing this problem. Yes. So okay. Yes, so I've clicked on it now. Yes, so now this is it. So let's go through the documentation. You see Elementor updated their Fonts Awesome version 4.xs to 5.xs. In this case, sometimes you will see some icons like social media icons, carousel, arrows icon will not display properly. For this situation, Elementor released an option to fix it properly. So now that means the problem is not from it's not from the team. Actually, it is from Elementor, the plugin, the page editing plugin is from it, right? So now they say how to fix it. To fix it, go to WordPress dashboard. Okay, so this is our WordPress dashboard now. They said go to Elementor. Okay, where is our Elementor? This is it. Okay, let me click on it. Then they say go to settings. So now, okay, this is settings. Actually, we are in Elementor settings, as you can see here. Then now say advanced. Go to advanced. We have integration. We have advanced, right? So they say load Font Awesome for support. Change the word selected options, right? So now let's find the, so this is it, right? So let's change it to yes and save changes. Yes, so now settings has been changed. So let's reload the page and see if the okay, you see, definitely this is from what? Okay, yes, so it is loading. Actually is from the plugin, actually, because the updated, normally when an update comes, is normally come with this kind of problems. Okay, so as you can see, the social media's icons are now showing. Yes, okay, for this just reload the page again, it will show, I think. So the problem is from the plugin, as you can see. That means there is a problem between the plugin and the theme. That is, so you see, it's not showing. So this is our social media icons, and if you go down also, yes, they are showing here also. So now in order to pick these 404 error pages, right, this is it, which is this. So they say we should go to where. So now 404, this is it. You can see here, this is the next. So you click on it. Yes, so now this is sometimes, okay, sorry, sometimes you face the 404 not found error page. This, to solve this issue, go to WP dashboard. We are in our WP dashboard, which is this currently. Then go to settings. That is settings for what? WP dashboard. You know, we went towards settings for Elementor. Now this is settings for WP dashboard now. And they said what? Okay, permalinks. So let's go to permalinks. Okay, permalinks are here. Look at it here, right? So we want to permalinks now. So now to set the radio button as post name, click on save changes. If you already set the permalinks as post name, then click on the save changes button again. So now they say we should click on post name, which is this. So let's click this. So this has to do with the what? With the link. That there is a problem with the what? With the URL of what? Of those pages, right? So now this type of sorry, this type of URL will now what? Will now solve the problem. You remember I told you what the URL in the beginning of this program, right? Uniform resource locator. So that means the uniform resource locator for this portfolio has a problem, and this is how to fix it. So you see changes. So having them done this, so if I should click, okay, refresh the page first. So now, yes, so if I should click on this link now, I don't think the portfolio is supposed to open. Yes. So now it has opened. We don't have any problem of 404 or error changes, right? So actually, if you watch the next video, which is the final video, you get to understand why I say you should watch this video first. So guys, see you guys in the next video. Remember I told you I will hold you by the hands and show you step by step each inch and inch of every part of this training. So guys, this is it. Yes, so I know because you might use this theme. I've used this. You can use this theme for, so if you have a client, you can use it. Any type of client you have, you can use this theme for him or her, for that client. So I'm giving you this theme for free. Yes, that is it. That is one of my gift for you before what this program ends. So this is it, actually, because I've never used this theme before. That is why. So see you guys in the next video.